Zhejiang Baige Technology Company Limited is a professional company engaged in research, development, production, sale, and service of keychain, sticker, metal pin, stand, washi tape. We are located in Zhejiang Province, China, with convenient transportation. Due to our rich manufacturing experience, our company has business cooperation all over the world, have helped us win the trust of more and more customers and clients. We have an experienced engineering team, a fully functional production line, and a strict internal quality control system. Nowadays, we are renowned by our quality, our competitive price, thoughtful customer service, and timely shipment. Our skilled team members will work together to finish your orders according to your exact specifications. Our products are quality approved, can meet the quality requirements of customers, and ensures your entry into the overseas market to go smoothly. You can rest assured once you've placed your orders. Welcome you to visit our company. Both OEM and ODM are available options with us. Please remember that your own designs, innovations, and samples are especially welcome.